The southernmost part of the Faroe Islands is a land surrounded by soaring mountains, steeped in Viking history, which provides soul-searching serenity. This land is Sumba. Sumba municipality lies behind high mountains and used to be difficult to reach in winter. But with the addition of a tunnel, traveling is much easier. The municipality has roughly 360 inhabitants and includes 3 villages: Sumba, Lopra, and Akrar. Many tales have grown the legend of ancient village of Sumba, and history permeates the region. Sumba is truly ancient, dating back to the very first Viking settlers over 1200 years ago. Lopra was founded in 1834, while Akrar was being settled about the same time. Around 1901, Norwegian whalers began sailing from Lopra and later built a whaling station there. The station grew to be of major importance to the parish, the island, and Faroe society up into the 20th century, when it was closed down in 1953. The southernmost point in the Faroe Islands is Akraberg, where breathtaking natural landscapes simply leave you speechless. Want to enjoy the scenery and get away from it all? Rent a house in Akraberg at the tourism office in Vágur. It's a perfect isolated retreat for reflection, as no one lives in Akraberg year-round. An ancient settlement steeped in mystery is Víkarbyrgi. From the early days of Vikings, lore tells that the village was wiped out by the Black Death in 1349 and laid unoccupied until 1830. Once again, Víkarbyrgi now lies deserted and empty. Educational opportunities are offered through an evening school program and the library, as well as daycare options for children. Another draw to the area is the Bird's Cliff Beinisvörð, which rises vertically 470 meters above the sea. At the top is a magnificent view out over the sea, rocks, and sea stacks deep below. Breathtaking landscapes, serene beauty, and quiet contemplation. Step out of the norm and into Sumba.